Hey guys, this is Alexander from All Security Equipment, and today we're going to talk hardware. It's kind of the thing that nobody really talks about. However, it can make your installation a very easy and successful one, or a very annoying one. That could be a 2-hour installation, or that could be a 6-hour installation. At All Security Equipment, we're always looking to innovate and help the gate operator industry. And so today we have come up with these 3 hardware brackets. So first, I'm going to show you what comes with the LA500. So these are the brackets to attach the operator to the column, the post of an operator. So as you can see, it's really made to work on a rounded post, not really on straight. So if it is straight, you would have to hammer it down, make sure it's flat, and then attach that. So to innovate, we came up with this bracket. So this bracket is pretty cool. It's made out of American steel, made in the USA with a nice black powder coating. You can use this with the 6-inch square U-bolts. You can use it with the 4-inch square U-bolts, or you can just bolt it directly onto a wall, onto a column, and it's already ready to go. The geometry is already done, 90 degrees. And it's very heavy duty. As you can see, it's really thick steel. On the other hand, this is the LA500. So we know the LA500 is a more sturdy operator, more commercial oriented operator. So it comes with like a super heavy duty bracket. However, you need to weld this. You need to grind, you need to weld, you need to polish, and then you need to paint to attach the operator. So we thought the same thing. Why don't we already do the work for you guys and create this bracket that is already ready to go? Same thing, geometry is already done, super heavy duty. You cannot see it here, but there are 2 holes where this part of the bracket inserts and then is welded. So it's like really heavy duty, really strong. And same thing, you can use it with the 4-inch bolts like that, or you can use it with the 6-inch bolts like that, or same thing, you can just drill it into the wall, the column, and then you're ready to go. So that will be a lot of time saved with this bracket. And then on the other side, this is the gate part of things. So this is what comes in the LA500 package. So that's the bracket you attach on the gate. As you can see, it's pretty well done. A little thin metal, but it's engineered to work. Again, we wanted to do a little better. This is what comes with the LA500. So same thing, a little bit more heavy duty, but you have to weld this. So again, grinding, welding, painting, a lot of steps. So we came up with another idea of making this bracket. So this works with the LA400, LA500, and any other operator that would have one hole, that would need one hole to attach. So the great thing with this is that it's again made out of very sturdy steel, powder coated in black. And what we did is that we made it this long, so that way it kind of spreads the pool onto more pickets of the gate to ensure that you're not bending or damaging any parts of your gate. So it comes with 2 pieces. You can bolt them together. They are staggered just to make sure the pressure is evenly distributed, and same thing with the length. So we have all of these brackets available on our website. And again, so this would work with the LA500 and also the Viking G5. This is really made for the LA400, super heavy duty, super nice. And this is made for attaching the operator to the gate. All of these brackets are already available on our website. You can go on allsecurityequipment.com, or you can call 1-800-730-8382 and talk to one of our specialists who can help you choose which bracket would be the best for your operator use.